If you want to install apps from unknown sources on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we need to go to settings. Scroll down in the settings in order to find privacy protection, and then scroll down again in order to choose special permissions. Over here you should be able to find install unknown apps, so you want to go over here. Then you want to select the app that you want to use to install the app. So for example, if you have downloaded an app using the Chrome browser and now you want to install it, then we can go to Chrome and we need to make sure that in this option, this app is allowed to install apps from unknown sources. So let's say I'm going to choose this app instead. After that, you will see this danger information about potential risks. Of course, since these apps do not come from the Play Store, we need to select that we are aware of possible risks, and then after 10 seconds we can press OK. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!